Stay tuned to watch me create the perfect finger coils. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some finger coils using my Terraveda Organix Curl Love Moisturizing Styler and Curl Slayer Curl Defining Gel. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off by re-wetting this section of hair, and then I'm going to be going in with my Curl Love Moisturizing Styler. This is a 5-in-1 styler that can replace your leave-in conditioner, detangler, and curl definer. You can use it to twist, define curls, finger coils, or do braid outs. This product is very creamy and moisturizing, and it's definitely a great base for any style. Now I'm going to go in and detangle that section and make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Now I'm going to be sectioning my hair off a little further so that I can start my finger coils. And for coiling, I am going in with the Curl Slayer Curl Defining Gel. Now this gel is an excellent curl definer gel with brilliant shine that will have your hair bouncing and behaving. It is designed specifically for tightly coiled and curly hair, no matter what your hair length. This gel has so much slip and leaves your curls popping. Definitely one of my favorite gels. So now I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb just to make sure that my hair is fully detangled before starting my finger coils. For my finger coils, I am working in small sections and I am just coiling the hair all the way down to the ends. The best way for me to achieve the perfect finger coils is to make sure that I coil very tightly around my finger and make sure that I'm coiling all the way down to the ends. And before even starting, making sure that I'm using moisturizing products and that my hair is completely detangled. So I'm just going to be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Let me know in the comment section below if you like to do finger coils and what products you like to use to do your finger coils. Also, let me know if you prefer to do them in small sections or larger sections. Now it took me about an hour and a half to complete my hair from start to finish. Seems like the longer my hair gets, the quicker this process is, which seems really backwards, but that's definitely the case for me. So now that my coils are all done, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest air dry overnight. And here is my final look. I decided to pin it up on one side just to give it some style, but my coils are shiny, they're moisturized, they're defined. I am definitely loving this look. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these finger coils. Again, I used the Curl Love Moisturizing Styler and the Curl Slayer Curl Definer Gel to achieve this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.